Hey friends, welcome back to my video. Today's recipe video is a Bakrid special recipe which I'm preparing with beef. This is a beef dry roast recipe and this can be prepared with mutton. I hope you love this recipe, so keep watching. Here I have taken a pressure cooker and into it I'm going to add 500 grams of cleaned and washed beef. Here I have cut the meat into small pieces. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoonful of red chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 3 teaspoons of curd, 3/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and I'm going to give this a good mix so that the meat is coated with the spices. Then I'm going to add half cup of water, close the lid and pressure cook this up to 8 whistles. Once the pressure is released, I'm going to open the lid and you can see the meat is well cooked and there's half cup of stock in it. I'm taking another vessel and adding 3 tablespoons of oil into it and allowing the oil to turn hot. Then add 2 pods of cardamom, 2 cloves, 3 thinly sliced onions and a sprig of curry leaves. Now I'm mixing the onion well with the oil and then I will add a teaspoon of salt to fasten the cooking process. Here I'm going to cook or fry the onions till they turn soft and get a nice light brown color. This is what I would require at this stage. Now that we have the onions cooked, I'm going to add 2 green chilies, a tablespoon of soya sauce and a tablespoon of tomato sauce, and I'm going to give this a good mix. Once mixed well, I'm going to add the cooked meat. Here I've separated the meat from the stock and I'm going to add into the onion sauce mixture and give that a good mix. Once the meat is mixed well, add 1/4 cup of stock and mix well. Add 3 teaspoons of coconut. Coconut gives good taste and flavor as well as helps in absorbing the excess moisture. Give a good mix. I also love adding these thin slices of lemon. Now I have to only roast this meat on high flame for 3 minutes or till you get a nice roasted aroma from this meat. Once done, garnish with finely chopped coriander leaves and mix it and cook it for few seconds. Now our beef dry roast is ready to serve. I hope you found this recipe very helpful. Please do give this recipe a try. Also, do consider giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel. See you soon on a next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.